Legend!
I got a brand new bass cat. Coach responded, man, I need your old one. Bass cat reached out and said, we got him one. That's what happened. Yeah, this Matt Looney, he's vice president of basketball. He made all this happen. He's the one that saw our Instagram post and goes, let's give
He said, look at this comment. I said, oh, we got a boat.
Oh yeah.
This is the ultimate boat right here.
Man.
This is
Custom
the ultimate
colors.
fishing machine. This is a 20.5-foot bass cat. This is every fisherman's dream.
Oh, you got the logo. You got the colors. Oh my God. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. I got a legend on